talk. And if you're wasting our
Did
time...
you know this church is in the exact center of the city? The elders decreed it so that everyone could be equally close to God. I like that. The geometry of belief. You're wondering why you can't look inside my head.
Sometimes it's hard. But sooner or later, every man shows himself.
Oh, I'm sure they do. But you needed something more than a man. That's why you let Stark take the scepter.
I didn't expect. But I saw Stark's fear. I knew it would control him, make him self-destruct.
Everyone creates the thing they dread. Men of peace create engines of war. Invaders create Avengers. People create... smaller people? Children! I lost the word there. Children. Designed to supplant them, to help them end.
Is that why you've come? To end the Avengers?
I've come to save the world. But also... yeah. Move out right away. This is a start, but there's something we need to begin the real work.
All of these are...
Me. I have what the Avengers never will. Harmony. They're discordant. Disconnected. Stark's already got them turning on each other. And when you get inside the rest of their head...
Everyone's plan is not to kill them.
And make them martyrs. You need patience. Need to see the big picture.
I don't see the big picture. I have a little picture. I take it out and look at it. Every day.
You lost your parents in the bombings. I've seen the records.
The records are not the picture.
Pietro.
No. Please.
We're 10 years old, having dinner, the four of us. And the first shell hits 2 floors below. It makes a hole. It's big. Our parents go in. The whole building starts coming apart. I grab her, roll under the bed, and the second shell hits. But it doesn't go off. It just sits there in the rubble. 3 feet from our faces. And on the side of the shell, it's painted one word.
Stark.
We were trapped for 2 days.
Every effort to save us, every shift in the bricks, I think, this will set it off. We wait for 2 days for Tony Stark to kill us.
They know what they are.
I wondered why only you two survived Strucker's experiments. Now I don't. We will make it right. You and I can hurt them. But you will tear them apart. From the inside.
Barton, might have something.